Hello, guys. Hello again. I want to add this week how you will perform data gathering procedure. This part requires a bit of details, no? So, guys, focus tayo ng konti, no? So, this would be a little bit more difficult for the experimental study designs. However, kung ano naman, questionnaire and survey and interview, medyo mas maikli. Okay, so let's begin. So could I just go back, no, on the components of our study design or methodology, tapos ano yung purpose. So right now, we are here. So study design, tapos nyo na. So please heed, resolve all my comments. Sample of the study. So those are the things that you're going to do this week, no? Dalawin na natin, no? And data gathering procedures. So your data gathering procedures should contain the systematic method for collecting your data and ensure replicability and accuracy. Meaning, if other researchers will also do your study, kaya nilang magaya, no? And as much as possible, dapat maglalabas ng similar results, no? So, para magaya ng ibang researchers yung study natin, so it should be precise, right? So, talagang kailangan nyo i-declare lahat ng steps na gagawin nyo. Yan. So, what should it contain, no? It should contain the step-by-step method, no? Step-by-step method from distribution of letters to the appropriate offices, to collecting, data gathering, distribution of your researches, extraction of extract, of blood, whatever. Plan for pilot testing. So, or reliability testing. So, ma'am, sino ang gumagawa ng pilot testing or reliability testing? Yung may survey questions or questionnaire, no? Interview question, I don't think, yung mga qualitative, I don't think you need a pilot test, no? And how you will analyze your data. So for experimental studies, your step-by-step procedure must be based on other experiments, on textbooks, whatever. So matindi tayo this week, okay? So this is my guide for you guys on how to write your data gathering procedure, no? So guys, I'm giving you really concrete examples, no? So, hindi pwedeng may kulang sa mga sasabihin ko, no? So, dapat lahat to mahanap ko. Okay? So, what are the contents of their data gathering procedure? Basahin natin, no? So, guys, ibagan natin na magbasa. The researchers requested assistance from the Research and Development Center for the certification and validation of questionnaires by reliability tests. A communication letter was submitted to the Dean of SNS about the questionnaire, tool certification, and approved and supported by the office. Furthermore, the researchers sought consent through a letter of approval from the Dean of SNS and Academic Director of UB in undertaking reliability tests on parents of pupils at the institution. Yeah. The number of participants for the reliability testing was 20. The Cronbach Alpha was utilized to assess the results of the reliability testing, and I think they got more than, if the researchers got more than 0.7, they will proceed with their data gathering. No? So, for the first part of their study, for me, ito muna unahin nyo ha. Inform the appropriate office for the conduct of your data gathering procedure. So, if you're going to do it at UB, yan, you could ask the assistance of School of Natural Sciences, of Research and Development Center or RDC for whatever purpose research that you want to do, no? Kailangan nyo i-consult muna yung heads. Kunyari sa barangay, magbigay na lang muna kayo ng letter sa barangay captain kung sa private laboratories kayo magbibigay ng questionnaire, so mag-letter muna kayo sa chief medtech, no? Or the owner of the lab. Pwede kayo mag-letter pag sa hospital sa director of the hospital, no? And guys, mention how you will conduct your reliability testing. Naku, hinahanap po yan ng mga panel, no? Mention to what population will you do the reliability testing. So, I have a notes on reliability testing, kaso kompleto masyado yun, may computation, no? Pero, so reliability testing is you will choose at least 20 people who are similar to your population, no? So, yung totoong population ng study na to are parents from Barangay Irisan. So, sila, nag-reliability testing sila sa parents ng preschool pupils of University of Baguio. Yan. Please ha, yung may mga survey questions, kailangan nyo ng reliability testing, no? You could consult to your advisor kung sino pwede niyang isuggest na population for reliability testing, no? So, what else? The researchers submitted a communication letter to the principal of the daycare center of Barangay Irisan. Upon approval, a hard copy of questionnaire was distributed to the participants for a face-to-face survey. The 205 parents answered the given questionnaire that evaluated their knowledge and awareness on hand, foot, and mouth disease. The questionnaire was administered to the participants from the month of September to October, no? In which random sampling was applied to the participants, no? Totoo kaya? Or convenient sampling rin naman pala. Data gathering was conducted with a short introduction about the group, the purpose of conducting the study, and an overview of the research study, and so on, no? Ako nagagandahan ako sa kanya how they wrote their data gathering procedure because they mention where the dissemination will happen, to whom, with the parents, with whom, kung may kasama ba sila, sabihin natin they were guided by barangay officials, and how they distributed their questionnaire. Actually, kulang pa nga ako ng when, no? So, actually, sinabi niyo na yan sa study design, pero wala lang. Pwede naman sabihin, no? What else? The researchers mentioned how they conducted the distribution of questionnaire in an ethical manner, no? Sinabi nila, inintroduce nila yung sarili nila, sinabi nila yung purpose of the study, no? The researchers had shown and read the consent form to the participants, no? Yan. So only the volunteer participants were given questionnaires. Ang ganda. No, let's emulate how they wrote their data gathering procedure. And finally, no, after answering the questions, the researcher collected their answers. It was checked for completeness. They tallied and decoded or analyzed, no, and interpreted the results. No, ang ganda. Kompleto. Okay, walang kulang, no? So you could do this for the descriptive study design and qualitative study design, no? So if you would mention that you will record their answers, then say that you will ask permission that you will record the answers from the interview, o di ba? Sa mention of data collection and coding, the researchers will transcribe the results of the interview. Ganon ha. So please write it completely. Okay. Medyo madugo, no? So sa mga experimental study design, no? So kung ano yung hinahanap ko sa descriptive study, like informing the appropriate office, the appropriate farm, the appropriate government agency, no? So send a communication letter andyan pa rin sa experimental study design, kung sino ang mga kasama nyo, sinong mag-a-assist sa inyong mga professional, mga expert, like a physician or a registered medical technologist, or your technical advisor. And the collection, coding, and data treatment is also found in experimental design. Okay? So what's unique about experimental design and what I love how the students made theirs is they group them. No? Ginroup nila from the collection of the extract of the plant to the extraction of the extract. Andito yon. Sorry, ito yon. Extraction process of, dapat hinighlight ko rin to ng red, no? The evaluation of participants and extraction of blood kasi nag-recruit sila ng mga participants, no? And how they tested their leaf extracts with thrombolytic activity, no? Actually, mahaba to. Niliatan ko lang yung font, no? So they even included their formula, no? And even just a one sentence description on how they will analyze their treatments or trials, no? So don't forget to mention how many trials, how many replicates, no? They mention even the age range of the patient, how many ml of blood, no? How many ml, how many kilos, parang di nila nilagay, ilang kilo ng, dapat nilagay nila ilang kilo ng leaves, and the ending extract is about 300 ml. Oh. So you want to be very specific because you want to others that they could replicate your study. No? So, yan ha, sa mga experimental studies. Okay. So, yun lang ang video natin ngayong hapon. Please do your best. Team, work together, okay? Hindi lang ayokong gumawa ang leader. Gusto ko siya yung taga-double check lang. No? So, team, work together, okay? So, I'll see you again. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!